Hello student, welcome to my first lecture on chapter number 6, that is redox reaction. In this chapter, first point, that is introduction. In introduction, redox is an abbreviation for use for the terms oxidation and reductions. redox क्या है? तो ये abbreviation है oxidation and reduction का दोनों का मिलके. A large number of phenomena such as respiration, rusting, combustion of fuel involves redox reaction. In second point, what is the 6.1? Point 1, that is classical idea for redox reactions. Classically, oxidation refers to combination of an element or substances with oxygen. For example, that is oxidation of carbon. It gives, what is the carbon plus oxygen? It gives carbon dioxide. Second reaction, oxidation of magnesium, that is magnesium twice Mg plus O2. It gives twice MgO, magnesium oxide. In reaction 6.1 and 6.2, the carbon and magnesiums are oxidized on reacting with oxygen. Now consider the reactions, that is twice Fe2O3 plus thrice carbon, thrice C. It gives 4Fe plus thrice CO2, that is thrice CO2. Means in this reaction there removal of oxygen from Fe2O3. Then hence it is a reduction reaction. Further, you have to discuss, that is twice H2S plus oxygen. It gives twice S plus twice H2O. In this reaction, there is removal of hydrogen and it is also called oxidation. Here, the sulfur in H2S loses hydrogen and undergoes oxidation, while oxygen accepts the hydrogen and it undergoes reductions. Remember here, यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन आपको रिमूव करता है और ये हाइड्रोजन रिमूव करके ऑक्सीजन इसको एक्सेप्ट करता है, तो आप हाइड्रोजन के यहाँ ऑक्सीडेशन होता है और ऑक्सीजन के यहाँ रिडक्शन होता है. ठीक है. ओके. Next point, that is what is the oxidant or oxidizing agent? A reagent or a substances which itself undergoes and causes oxidation of another species is called oxidant or oxidizing agent. You have to simply remember here, कोई भी एक reagent और any substance, ऐसा substance है जो खुद itself undergoes reduction, खुद का reduction करके वो दूसरे को oxidize करता है, this species को हम लोग बोलते हैं that is oxidant or reductant. Now consider some examples. First, Mg plus F2, it gives MgF2, magnesium fluoride. Mg plus S, that is magnesium sulfide. The above reactions are also examples of oxidation through a number of oxygens is involved, and thus the scope of oxidation can be looked upon as the removal of electropositive element. For example, that is Hg2Cl2 gives HgCl2 plus Hg. Now let us consider some examples of reductions. First, small a, that is removal of oxygen from mercuric oxide. Twice Hg of it gives, when it oxidizes, it gives Hg plus O2. Second, removal of electronegative elements from FeCl3. That is simple reaction. Twice FeCl3 plus H2. It gives twice FeCl2 plus twice HCl. Then next one, what is the addition of hydrogen? That is CH2 CH double bond CH2 plus H2. Hydrogen, simply how to hydrogen is add. Then it gives ethene to ethane, that is CH3 CH3. Next example, that is twice HgCl2 plus SnCl2. It gives Hg2Cl2 plus SnCl4. Means, continue how to discuss. In above reactions or above equations number 8, 6.8, there is removal of oxygen from mercuric oxide, and equation number 6.9 shows removal of electronegative element from FeCl3, and equation number 10 involves the addition of hydrogen, and the equation number 11 involves the addition of electropositive element Hg to HgCl2. All these reactions represent reductions. So next point, that is what is the reductant and or reducing agent. A reagent or reducing agent or reductant or reducing agent is defined as a substance or reagent which itself undergoes oxidation, bringing about the reductions of another species. जैसे लास्ट जो ऑक्सीडेंट था, इसका ऑपोजिट में आपको बोलना है. कौन सा भी एक रिएजेंट है वो खुद इट सेल्फ अंडरगोज टू ऑक्सीडेशन एंड इट कॉजेज टू रिडक्शंस. खुद ऑक्सीडेशन करता है और ऑक्सीडाइज होता है और दूसरों को रिडक्शन करवाता है. जिससे क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग, रिडक्टेंट और reducing agent. Now consider the equation number 11. The equation number 11 involves the simultaneously oxidation and reduction. That is twice HgCl2 plus SnCl2. It gives Hg2Cl2 plus SnCl4. In this reaction, HgCl2 is reduced. HgCl2 is the reduced. And SnCl2 is oxidized. It gives SnCl4. HgCl2 converted into Hg2Cl2 and SnCl2 is converted into SnCl4. Okay. Hence it is a redox reaction. यहाँ पे दो ये जो रिएक्शन है इसमें ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन दोनों साइमल्टेनियसली हो रहा है. मीन्स दिस रिएक्शन इज नोन एज redox reaction. Okay. Next, what is the key point of oxidation and reductions? You have to simply and shortly rememberize what is the oxidation is defined as. First, addition of oxygen. B, addition of electronegative element. C, removal of hydrogen. D, removal of electropositive element. E, loss of electrons by any species. इसका opposite में आपको बोलना है. When reduction is takes place, what is the removal of oxygen? Here addition, here removal of oxygen. Here electronegative ऐड करना है, यहाँ पे रिमूवल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट. फर्स्ट में हाइड्रोजन रिमूव करना है, सेकेंड में हाइड्रोजन ऐड करना है. फर्स्ट में इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट रिमूव करना है, तो सेकेंड में इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट ऐड करना है. लास्टली यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करना है, तो यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करना है. ओके, दैट इज द सिंपल bifurcations or what is the difference between reductions and oxidation. By shortly you have to rememberize. Okay. Next, what is the redox reactions in terms of electron transfer? In this point, what is the redox reactions can be described as electron transfer as shown in below. is different example is given. First example, that is Mg plus O2, it gives Mg2 plus O2 minus. In second reaction, what is the Mg plus F2, it gives Mg2 plus twice F minus. Development of charges on the species produced suggests the reactions 6.12 and 6.13 can be written as Mg plus O2, it gives Mg2 plus O2 minus. Means here first one, that is the loss of 2 electrons from Mg to Mg2 plus, that is loss of 2 electrons, and O2 to O2 minus means here gain of 2 electrons. Same as next example, that is Mg plus F2, here Mg also lose of electrons and F2 gain of electrons. Lose of electrons, that is oxidation, and gain of electron, that is reductions. Means when Mg is oxidized to MgO, the neutral Mg atom loses electron from form it Mg2 plus in MgO. The elemental oxygen gain electrons from O2 to O2 minus from MgO. Okay. Next, continues to discuss here. Each of the above step represent a half reaction which involves electron transfer, or in bracket lose or gain of electrons. Some of the of two half reactions, some of these two half reactions or the overall reactions is known as redox reactions. Now consider the following reactions. First, that is solid Fe is given by Fe2 plus 2 electron and Cu2 plus 2 electron, it gives copper solid. Then Fe plus Cu2 plus, it gives Fe2 plus Cu solid. That is the overall reaction. In the first half reaction, that is Fe gives Fe2 plus, and second half reaction is Cu2 plus 2 electrons, that is oxidation, and second one is reductions. This overall combine to write down this reaction, then it gives in the half reactions. Number 14, Fe act as a reducing agent, whereas Cu2 plus act as the oxidizing agent. Means Cu2 is the itself oxidation reduction is takes place here, and here oxidation is takes place. Means itself reduce and itself oxidize. Okay, which accept the electron from Fe. The half reactions involves loss of electrons is called oxidation reaction, and the involving gain of electrons is called reduction reactions. Okay, thus the equation number 14 is oxidation, and equation number 15 is the reductions, and equation number 16 is the redox reactions. Okay, next one, key point of oxidant and or oxidizing or reducing agent. Simply you have to memorize what is the oxidizing agent. You also discuss is in last point, but here simply in shortly you have to memorize what is the oxidant or oxidizing agent in table. A reagent or substance which itself undergoes reduction and causes oxidation of another species is called oxidant. We know that, or that is oxidizing agent. This is an electron acceptor. और second में आपको देखना है the reagent or reducing agent is defined as the substances or reagents which itself undergoes oxidation and bringing about reductions to another species. It a reductant is a electron donor. Okay, next point there, that is displacement of reactions. Displacement of reaction can also be looked upon as a redox reaction. In such reactions, an ion or atoms in a compound is replaced by an ion or atoms of another element. For example, x plus yz, it gives xz plus y. The reactions number 16 is displacement reaction. This reaction is simple displacement reactions. Okay.